Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode I just really want to have a chat and talk about what I've got planned for this channel going forward. So in the past I've been doing sort of, Raspberry Pi stuff and all-in-one server stuff, things like that. Basically just showing my progress with, creating systems and testing them and playing around with them. Now that's kind of worked in a way, but I've always felt like pressured that I have to sort of upload content. Now my problem is obviously I've got a personal life. I have, family. I have a job as well. I've got to try and do things other than the YouTube channel. So going forward, what I've decided to do is I am going to still be uploading to the all-in-one home NAS server stuff, as I go, and also the Raspberry Pi stuff. But I'm going to sort of come away from this sort of like teaching how to kind of content, and I'm going to go into more like sort of like a vlogging style. I want to talk about my own progress. I mean, this channel was always supposed to be me kind of documenting what I do, and at times when I've had problems, I've gone back onto my own content and gone back through my own content to actually help me with what I was looking at. So that it's kind of having that documentation is been really very helpful to me. I'm not trying to do this as a career or anything like that. I just literally want to document my own progress, and I hopefully you guys can get some benefit out of that as well. Obviously it's there for everyone else as well, but I've always felt like kind of pressured that I need to get more stuff up, and because of that pressure it's kind of like made me stagnated, and also I've lost a bit of heart with it. I've kind of been like, that's just not what I wanted to do with this channel. I want this channel to just be my passion, yeah, and it was getting a bit too like, worrying that I need to appease algorithms and other people, and I just don't want to do that. So going forward I will be moving into electronic repairs. I've already done one video for that now. It hasn't been live, but it will go live after this, and I was quite pleased with the outcome of that video, and you'll see it if you hit that notification bell and subscribe. But I will still be adding to the Raspberry Pi stuff. I've got some, as I said, I've always wanted to use the Raspberry Pi and with electronics, and this all kind of goes hand in hand with moving into electronic repair. So I've been working hard in the background updating the Addicted to Tech website and making it look more modern, and I really didn't like the old look. The old white was just too bright. It was proliferated with ads, and it was a bit annoying. I've completely decided to come away from any kind of adverts on there. I want the content to be concise and clear. I will be doing some blog content on there. You will see some articles and things like that. So if you guys need any code from any of the tutorials that I'm showing, you guys can get your code on the website. I hope you guys like the new look. I really do. I like a dark theme. Dark themes for me are where it's at. I don't like the light themes, just hurt my eyes. That website was always destined to be revamped, but I really do like the new look. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you think it looks much better? I put it side by side. You can see here the old and the new. So on the left's the old and on the right's the new. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how the website's gone. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. So yeah, I just wanted to really put this video up just to let you guys know what's going on with the channel. Obviously I have the Discord channel. If you guys want to join that community, please do so. It's free, doesn't cost anything. And on there I want to be discussing, electronic repairs, anything that I've covered on this channel, we can talk over there. If you guys need any help, you can get help on the forums there, in the Discord rooms, chat rooms, and just ask for help, and I'll come in and help you in it, or someone else will be there. But yeah, I just really wanted to just lay out the groundwork of where the channel's going forward in 2026. It's going to be more project based, personal stuff, and if you guys like that, hopefully you guys will keep following and you'll still like my content. But yeah, so it's a bit more free flowing, a bit more easy. I was using a bit of AI at times to try and help me with some scripts and things, and it just kind of went robotic. It wasn't working, and I just want to go back to being, just being chilled on my channel and just creating good content, and that's what I want to focus on going forward. So I hope you guys like that. If you do, please follow, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.